is up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. My name is Gabe Gutierrez. If you are new, please help me out, smash that subscribe button, and for the like squad, as always, hit that like button. Guys, make sure to click on the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I post a video like this one. Anyways, I want to start off by I do want to start off actually by telling you guys that if the video quality of this video is slightly different than all my other videos, that is because I have a new camera. I'm using a new camera that I just got. It's a mirrorless, and I'm super stoked about it. I don't want to talk about cameras because this is not a camera tech channel, but I'm like a camera geek. It's so weird. I literally don't understand why I like cameras so much. But anyways, the quality, I know it's a little bit better than my old camera, but it's not gonna be better than it will be after Tuesday because I'm still using the kit lens from that this camera came with, which is cool. Like, I'm not complaining about it. It looks good, but the new lens that's coming in on Tuesday is going to make this camera 1,000 times better. It is going to be so dope. The bokeh effect. See, I'm getting into like the camera slang. So bokeh effect. The bokeh is like when the background is blurred. So that'll be on Tuesday, and I can't wait. I'm like super excited. Today is Sunday. It's early in the morning. So this morning I got a call from my cousin. If you guys remember from the last video that I posted of me doing wheelies through town, the free riding video. If you guys haven't watched it, link is right here. Go ahead and watch it. Dude, so he called me early this morning, said they were on their way to go snowboarding, which is probably about an hour and a half to 2 away. And that's actually him texting me right now. He's just wondering where I'm at. But back to what I was saying. So he called me early this morning, and this is my cousin. Oh, I was talking about the video because this is my cousin with the white Denali 3500, the other lifted dually. That was my old truck that I showed you guys that I took to SEMA back in 2015. So I guess they were driving up there to go snowboarding, and they hit a pothole and popped one of the 37-inch tires. Like, there's no way of putting a spare on it. There's not even a spare on the truck because I took it off. There's no way of going to get it fixed because nobody just carries a 1350 26-inch mud terrain tire, and they're not just gonna fix that tire. I guess it's completely like blown out. So that's the reason why I hooked up my gooseneck, and I'm now on my way to pick them up. And I don't know who's actually with them. This is what we do for each other. I'm always there for him. That dude's always there for me whenever I need him, whenever he needs me. And here I am. I'm gonna be driving for the next about hour and a half or so, especially with the trailer, to pick him up. So anyways, enough said. Let's go get this day started. Be somewhere around here. I need to get to this side. Let's see. He said he hit a pothole, so if I hit the same pothole, I'm probably gonna be right there with him. Hopefully not. There he is, right here. Sweet. What up? What happened? Fuck the whole front? It's just the front? Damn. There it is. Fucking tore it up. There's something bad. Just like sticking out halfway over here. Dude, there it is right there. We're all ready to go. Literally, like, we're like legit just right on the 41, like getting onto the 168. But this is the thing, like tying this thing down was such a mission right now. But now we get to go. Let's get out of here. Yeah, so I'm so tired. I feel like I'm not even like, I'm not tired as in like I'm sleepy or whatever. I just feel like it's weird. It's like Sunday. It doesn't feel like Sunday, but it's like a blah day. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm actually pulling up to my yard to drop off my trailer, and yep, pulling up now. God, I had to take this wide. Ooh, that was close. I'm like praying to God this camera does not fall right here. It's like literally just on a little tire of one of my, I'll show you after this. It's kind of windy. It might. No. Dude, I just barely got to catch this. Hold on just a sec. Okay, it should be safe now. That is gonna be it for today's video. If you liked it, please smash that subscribe button. Seriously guys, I can't thank you guys enough. I really appreciate everybody that has been subscribing. I also wanted to tell you guys one more thing. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow, of course, is Monday. It is Martin Luther King's birthday, I believe, tomorrow. So I did get a call on Thursday saying that all of my merch was ready and it was going to be shipped over to me. So if all the stuff comes in for HSTL Supply Co, I will obviously be making a video. If it doesn't come in tomorrow, it will be in on Tuesday for sure. But I'm super excited, and you guys make sure to follow my Instagram at HSTL Supply Co. Did delete my personal Instagram just to run my HSTL one, so if you guys give me a follow on that, I would much appreciate it. I did have a lot of people on my personal, but I'm sorry, I just never really even cared for my personal Instagram, honestly, so that's why I decided to get rid of it and just do my HSTL stuff and focus on YouTube. Anyways guys, that is going to be it for today. I am about to go home now. It is Sunday, just going to relax for the rest of the day, I think, I hope. I thought is what I was going to do all day today, but obviously stuff always has to happen, right? Life is never perfect, but just for that guys, thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.